Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's Excel video, we're going to look at the subtotal function. It doesn't sound that exciting, but if you filter data in Excel, which most Excel users do, you need to know how to use this function. So I have a list of employees that header rows in row 1, data stops in row 11. If I want to know the total, I can just sum those up, 803, 800. But the issue comes when you start filtering the data. So I've already turned on filter, went to the data tab, turned on the filter. I only want to see employees in Georgia. So there they are. So if I come up here and sum up, highlight, 803, 800. That's clearly wrong because that's the total of Georgia and the other states, which I think only had California in there. So the correct way to do this is the subtotal function. S-U-B-T, hit tab or double click it with the mouse. Here's where people get lost on this. Those numbers mean something. If you want to do the average, you would use 1, max is 4, min is 5, the total or the sum is the number 9. But if you look down below, so there's 11 of them initially, but then they start again with the 101, 102. When you're filtering data, your rows are automatically hidden. Look over to the far left, it goes row 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. The other rows are automatically hidden by the filter, so it doesn't matter which one you do here. So do the number 9, you can type it or use the mouse. Really, really important, pick up your entire range. That's why I told you when this video starts, the header row is in row 1 and it stops at row 11. So that's H2 colon through H11. 473, 300. There you go. What's cool about this is if I change the filter criteria, I'm swapping states, the answer is still correct right there. I'm going to go back to Georgia though. Couple more, and I'm going to give you a quick tip right here. So for the average, control and the single quote, which is the key to the left of enter, copies the function directly above it and puts it down here so it doesn't change. Auto sum would have made it H3 to H12. So that is control, single quote. I don't need the number 9. Here's another cool tip. I'm going to delete the 9 first. To be clear, deleting the 9 was not the cool tip. Alt down arrow is the cool tip. It's within that function again. What argument do you want to use? I want the average. Average is 1. Again, I could have used 101, but I'm going to just use 1. There I go. The average is 78,833. 2 more real quick ones. This is going to go fast now. Same steps. I just happen to know that the max, just so you can see it, is the number 4. And finally, the lowest. I'm going to just type it again. SUBT is the number 5, comma, H2 through H11. There we go. There you go. The subtotal function, always use it when you're doing filters. I'll come back with another video about when to use the 1 versus 101 or 4 versus 104. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day.